Hello, good morning. First and foremost, I would like to thank you, the and the City Council and the Mayor for having me present at this adjunct hearing over the potential banning of gas-powered automobile cars in 2035. As I saw, you all have received my letter, and I thank you guys for taking the time out of your busy days, busy schedule, and being able to read it. 100% grateful for that. First and foremost, now that I have you all here, I want to touch on that letter a bit about the claim of the automobile industry in Tyler, Texas being such a big part of what makes Tyler, Texas, Tyler, Texas. As I mentioned in my email, Tyler, Texas has a population of 105,225 citizens, which is, to put into perspective, about the size of two Killeen, Texases. That means 20% of this industry are automobile workers. That means 20%, which is about 21,000, are a part of the automobile industry. And because of that, automobile industry is a very big and integral part of Tyler, Texas. It is about as big as the healthcare and the university programs here. I believe it is the third highest ranking. To add on to that, by having the third highest ranking just behind healthcare and the university systems, including University of Texas at Tyler and Tyler Junior College and Texas College, eliminating the third highest rate for workers is posing a big risk on the city of Tyler, Texas, and what makes Tyler, Texas, Tyler, Texas. For example, if we were to add robots as doctors, what would happen to the doctors? Just like if we were to make this a cleaner version in 2035 by banning all gas-powered cars in Tyler, Texas, then what would make Tyler, Texas, Tyler, Texas? What would happen to the car industry? What would happen to the people of Tyler? I believe that by eliminating that, you're causing a greater risk of a recession in the city of Tyler, Texas, than you are by causing a greater good. Also, bear in mind, while cars do have a big issue and a big problem, there are many other alternatives to help prevent the problem at hand, such as solar power energy, wind energy, potentially nuclear energy, although there are a lot into that. Also, just keeping the city clean, keeping the area cleaner, keeping the water system pure. And those two take a lot of work and a lot of time and a lot of dedication. It also takes a whole lot more to take 20% of the people out of jobs. Now, Mayor, I do understand and to an extent agree with what is going on, such as wanting to get rid of the whole car economic problem, wanting to be able to just have cleaner air, better energy, and a better use of fuels in the city of Tyler, Texas. However, I also believe that by getting rid of cars that are gas powered, you pose a great risk of having to rebuild and redesign the city of Tyler, Texas. Because the city of Tyler, Texas is historically a car-driven city. And because of that, we have a road system, we have an impeccable road system, might I add, and as a result, by getting rid of that road system, we pose a greater risk of having to rebuild it. But with 20% of the population out of jobs, how could we make that possible? The only way to make it possible is by having to find people who are willing and able to do that and resort to other forms of transportation, such as bike riding, such as electric cars and vehicles, and along many other ways, preferably walking, running, jogging, however it may be. However, because this place is historically an automobile city, we pose a great risk of redesigning and restarting the city. And with that being said, that is why I think we should not impose a 2035 gas-powered engine bill that would eliminate all gas-powered engines in the city of Tyler, Texas. Thank you, Mayor, and to everybody else for your time. It is greatly appreciated.